Hey guys, are you into competitive gaming? And if you are, how good are you? I do like to play Fortnite here and there, and well, I'm your average gamer. In the sense that I have good sessions and bad sessions, but I think, and I'm not easily fooled by this, I think that I need a better gaming mouse. And I'll tell you why. I have been rocking this legendary mouse right here, which is the MX Master 2S by Logitech, for a very long time, and it is an absolutely great and stellar mouse. It's just that it's not for competitive gaming because, well, you don't get, well, all the responsiveness and fastness of the, well, you don't have the greatest sensor and stuff like that. So yeah, this is not made for, well, that. I'm not saying that all of the gamers nowadays play with the best, hardware available to them, but I definitely feel that I'm missing into the, well, performance department. And yes, partially it's me, obviously, but I could get a little bit better by maybe trying out a new mouse. Even though I'm not easily fooled by all the hype out there when it comes to the latest and greatest with the biggest numbers are the best, well, I did want to try out for myself a gaming mouse to see, well, is it going to be better for me when gaming? So that's why I got, well, this guy right here. Now, I do know that this is about 2 years old by now, but well, the prices did drop a little bit on them, so I decided to give it a go and see if this kind of helps out, well, with my gaming situation overall. So this being said, let's take it out of the box, see what minimal crap you get with it, and well, let's test it out. All right, so let's drop it out. There we go. All right, looks nice and fancy and shiny. Oh my god, it is so flimsy and easy in the hand. I think there are some weights in here included with this one, so let's see what it comes with. All right, you get a button, all right, and a dongle. There we go, obviously. What else? Let's take this out. There we go. All right. Standard charging cable, USB-C on one end. That's because, well, you get USB-C with this one right here. So yeah, that's one thing. All right, let's see what else you get. An adapter, so that's a USB-C to, well, a female USB-A adapter right here. That's nice to have. What else? And well, that's it. That's all that you get with this mouse right here, as well you can see. Alright, so this is him right here. You do get a nice place here, which is a nice cover for you to actually store your USB dongle. Alright, so there we go. You push down on it and you lift this cover. It's magnetic, and you can have, a nice storage cubby here that you can store your dongle, so that way you can take your mouse with you on the go and not lose this little guy. So that's pretty nice and neat. And yeah, that's all you can get with it actually. So it feels nice in the hand. It definitely feels better. One thing I had a problem with this mouse right here, as you can see, the padding, it's been quite scratched and quite heavily abused over the years. And I feel that it is basically not moving or not gliding as easily as it once did. And I think that this is one of my problems whenever I'm gaming, because when I'm trying to zoom in on that kill and I need very fine and minute, movements with the mouse, it just, kind of grabs onto the surface and doesn't glide. So that way I, miss whenever I try to target someone. And yeah, hopefully I can get this fixed with this mouse right here. So I'll definitely give it a go. I do like the fact that it fits very nicely in hand. You would expect this from a premium device such as, this mouse right here. But it feels very light in hand. This one has a bit of weight to it, and that's pretty nice. I like weight. This feels cheap just because it's, it doesn't have any weight to it. I knew that the previous designs actually had some built-in weights that you can distribute around. This doesn't seem to be the case with this mouse right here. So yeah, I don't know what's happening at Logitech, but yeah, anyway, this is what you get. I like it, but it feels light. Maybe this helps with the gaming. Let's see. Also, for your late night gaming sessions, don't forget to check out my freshly roasted coffee shop down below. So that's my merch below, where I roast on order fresh coffee for you guys to send your way before, the next LAN party begins. Or was that back in the 90s? Oh my god. Immediately I can feel a huge difference here. What the... Oh my god. Alright, I need a recording of this. Immediately, I feel a huge difference in the way that the mouse just glides around. Well, with the other one, it just feels sluggish. I can't really So, this is using my old mouse, and I need a lot of input to move it as much as I do. This is not very scientific, I know. And this is just me moving it very slightly with the other one. And it just moves a whole lot faster around the screen. Yeah, okay, so I'm definitely impressed right off the bat. I didn't even game on it, and it definitely feels a lot faster, and it's gliding a lot smoother. So this should definitely give me an advantage. But hey, let's test it out. Let's see. Let's play up some Fortnite. Yeah, definitely I feel a difference in the way that this mouse glides on the surface here. And not only that, but I definitely see the way it moves on the screen. It just moves faster with less input, if that makes any sort of difference or sense in between, well, this MX Master right here. So yeah, there's definitely something into the hardware of this mouse that makes it feel much better. But is overall this, you know, smoothness and fastness and responsiveness gonna translate into better gaming performance for me? Yeah, it's well, let's see. Let's decide right here what's happening. Ah! I suck. It took forever to get this guy. What's happening here, man? I felt that very smooth, I don't know, how can I tell it? Like very, very smooth or fine detail crunching in with this mouse right now. You definitely need to have some sort of control right there when you're trying to aim for that very little small space for the headshot. Yeah, you need fine inputs with the mouse, and I definitely felt like I got it this time with this mouse. I'm gonna die. But hey, I placed 23rd. All right. First impressions. It's something here. I can't explain it, but it definitely feels a lot faster than my old one. It's something here. Definitely there's something with the gaming mouse. So far impressed with this mouse right here. Although I don't like the weight, it doesn't have any real weight to it. It really feels flimsy and light in hand. And usually we associate flimsiness and lightness with cheapness, but overall it feels premium in hand. The quality, I would say it's okay. You have a lot of buttons here, so if you want to, you know, macro your way around games, then definitely this is the way to go. You have a lot of buttons for that. This is actually swappable, so it's magnetic. You can just flip it around, turn it the other way, and then have better access if you like this sort of you know, style for it. Or if you want, you can flip it backwards and have more reach to it. Or there is another button that just kind of removes its utility overall, if you ask me. And then you have two more side buttons here. All of them, of course, are customizable. You have this RGB strip, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, let's see how this plays out. So guys, I've been playing a few hours now. Oh my god, how time flies. Yes, but during my testing of this mouse right here, I started out being a skeptic. Yes, I know that gaming peripherals are a thing, but you know, a lot of mumbo jumbo in there, a lot of branding, big prices, and hype for nothing most of the time with most of the products. But you know what? As an average gamer, I would say that this definitely upped my game, because I feel a lot more responsiveness coming out of this little mouse than my previous generation. This overall, in layman terms, feels very sluggish. You have to move it about a whole bunch before you get some minimal input on the screen. While with this one, you have to just move it a tiny bit and you get a lot of input on the screen. Not only that, but it feels smooth all the way across whenever you are gaming. The most important thing about this mouse right here for me, it's definitely the way it feels fluent whenever you're trying to game. So whenever you're zoomed in on the target and you're trying to get in that headshot, well, with this you have all the benefit of trying to hit that guy's head, while with this guy it was really getting a headache. It was really getting to be tired. Anyway, I am really curious to see what maybe your thoughts are on the matter. Have you ever considered upgrading to a gaming mouse? Have you already pulled the trigger and got yourself a gaming mouse? Which gaming mouse was it, and did it actually do something for you? Did you feel an immediate jump in your performance? And actually, do you feel like not going back to your previous mouse ever? Guys, you've been absolutely amazing. You know what to do. It really helps out a whole ton with the algorithm, and a brother would really appreciate your help and feedback. So, you know, maybe land a subscribe. share, comment, all the goodies down below, maybe even like a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Right here for me, it's definitely the way it feels fluent whenever you're trying to game. So whenever you're zoomed in on a target and you're trying to get in that headshot, well, with this, you have all the benefit of trying to hit that guy's head, while with this guy, it was really getting a headache. It was really getting to be tired. Anyway, I am really curious to see what maybe your thoughts are on the matter. Have you ever considered upgrading to a gaming mouse? Have you already pulled the trigger and got yourself a gaming mouse? Which gaming mouse was it? And did it actually do something for you? Did you feel an immediate jump in your performance? And actually, do you feel like not going back to your previous mouse ever? Guys, you've been absolutely amazing. You know what to do. It really helps out a whole ton with the algorithm, and a brother would really appreciate your help and feedback. So, maybe land a subscribe, share, comment, all the goodies down below, maybe even like a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.